I'm going to carry on to the next question. Now, a question basically from the textbook. So the question is 521, 5.21. The product design group at AGA Electric Supplies Incorporate has determined the needs to design it, determined that it needs to design a new series of switches. It must decide on one of three designs. One of many designs, three design strategies. The market forecast is for 200 units. And then the better and more sophisticated the design strategy and the more time spent on value engineering, the less will be the variable cost. The Chief Engineering Design, Dr. W.L. Berry, has decided that the following costs are good estimate of the initial variable cost connected with each of the three strategies. There's a low tech. So low tech, a low tech technology, low cost process consists of hiring several new engineers, junior engineers. Then this option has fixed cost of $45,000, variable cost probabilities of 0.3 for 0.55 each, 0.4 and 0.3 at 0.45. So subcontract. So they have an option to subcontract. A medium cost approach using good outside design staff. This approach will have fixed cost of $65,000 and variable cost probabilities of 0.7 with 0.4 as a cost, and then 0.2 and 0.4 is the cost, 0.1 and 0.3 as a cost. Then they have a high-tech strategy, a high technology approach using the very best of the inside staff and the latest computer-aided design technology. This approach has a fixed cost of $70,000, variable cost of 0.9 to $0.4 and 0.1 to $0.3. What is the best decision based on expected monetary value? Note that we are looking at the lowest EMV. Why? Because we're trying to get which one is more affordable. These are costs. So we are dealing with cost in this problem. Right. So now let's go to our tree, and after we start populating it. Okay, I think if I sit here, that it will be good enough. So I'm gonna go very high, and then do this, that, do that. On the center, do that. Okay. Let's change to a straight line, which I didn't desire it. I don't desire a straight line. And then, right, then the one at the bottom, I'll scroll down now just a little bit. Right, so now, and this one goes there. Okay, then this one's not a problem there too. So now we'll quickly write the values and take them out as we write them. So we'll start with this 0. 4, 0.3, 0.37, 0.3 again. Yeah. I'm making a mistake. This is gonna be catastrophic, in fact. So we don't start like this. We start with a 0.3, 0.3. I can open the big bracket and say comma. As already I see that I have a very big units that I must produce. I think they are around about 200,000. So I can just write immediately. Already I'm realizing my strategy is not working for me properly. So rather we refine it by just writing more details. Right. So now I'm going to go straight to my cost. So my cost will include we are seeing at 0.3 and 55. So now 55 multiplied by 200,000 minus 45. We don't seem to have another cost implication related to this. Then we close it. Then now we're going to 0.4, 0.4, and the big bracket, open that, and then it's going to be 0.5, that is 55, okay, multiplied by 200,000, close bracket, minus the 45,000. Close bracket, close the big bracket. Okay, next up is 0.3 once again with 0.45 multiplied by 200,000 units, close bracket, minus 45,000 of the cost. So I feel like I would want these things to be a little bit closer so that I can have a space where I can write my answers. This is fine like that. Cost, cost. Then going down, we have 0.7 bracket. I can just write it here, I think. We are here 0.45 multiplied by 200,000, close bracket, minus 65,000, 65. We cannot minus something that has just clicked in my mind. This is cost, this is cost, this is cost. These are not sales, variable cost. So you cannot minus. And these will be minused from the sales you are creating. So these are not sales. So do not make that mistake. 0.2, open bracket, the bigger bracket, and then 0.4 multiplied by 200,000 plus 65,000 cost you 0.1 bracket 0.35 multiplied by 200,000 plus 65. Then we have Final one is 0.9 bracket, open bracket, 0.4 multiplied by 200,000 plus 75,000 equals to, and then 0.1 open bracket, we have 0.35, 0.4. Okay, then we have 0.35 multiplied by 200,000 plus 75. Okay, then we call the calculator and it has to help us here. 0.55 multiplied by, no, I'm not happy with that. Something's wrong with it. 0.55 multiplied by 200 now equals to plus 45. 0.55 multiplied by 200 now. Right. Okay, plus 45,000. Okay, we have 0.3 multiplied by 45,000. Mm-hmm. 155. 155 multiplied by 0.3 plus 2, 4, 6, 500. I'm going to explore fixing it. Can you fix this? Settings. No, you can't. You can only do those funny things. All right. So now we are here now. 0.5 multiplied by 200,000, which is 100,000. This one plus 45,000. 145. 0.4 multiplied by 145. Good, with using a calculator, you can go straight to the answer, but it's nicer when you collect these part marks gradually. It will help you. 58 down. Okay, and then 0.45 multiplied by 200,000 equals to that 90 plus 45,135, 0.3 multiplied by 135, that, and your value is multiplied by 0.3, 0.3. 40 500. So you need to add them all up. Plus 38,000 plus 46,500, which is 125. When you come there, see 125, like that. Move right along now. Zero point 0.45 multiplied by this, which is around about 90, plus 65, 155. Okay, multiplied by 0.7. One 5500 1085. Now 0.4 multiplied by 200,000 plus 2. No. Yeah, there. It's fine. Plus 65. Wow, 145. Multiplied by that. And 29 here. You can see a 5. Then 0.35 multiplied by 200,000 plus 2 plus 65 multiplied by 0.1. 135 to 13 and 5. So now this 13.5 plus 29,000 plus 108. Okay, 108. 151. This one needs to be reviewed. 151. Okay, and then maybe this would work. I don't know. I'd like it to be a little bit smaller. What can be better here? Yeah, that's going to be this big. Yeah. Can we, yo, discovered something new. Now I'm happy now. Now I'm happy. All right. So now, what we having? 0.4 multiplied by 200,000 plus to that plus, now the cost has went significantly up. It goes to 155 multiplied by 0.9, then we get 139. 139.50. Mind you, these are supposed to have multiply by 0.7, 0.2, 0.1, and 0.9. Whatever here, 0.1. Okay. We are moving right along to 0.35 multiplied by 200,000 plus 75. We're getting around about 145 and multiply by, which is 14.5 basically. Multiply by 0.1. And plus 139 500 plus 13500 plus 167,500. 167,500. And obviously this one is correct, but I will need to verify it very quickly to make sure that everything is in order. Okay, so the verification is back. So I want to understand 0.3 multiplied by 15500 is 46. 0.4 multiplied by 14500 is 58. Maybe I didn't get 58 right. So 58,000 plus 46,500 plus 40,500. And the answer is 145. Answer is 145. Over here, this is more like 50. This, yeah, I don't understand why I got 167, but when you look at it here, you can see it rushing around about 145. So where did I go wrong? 155 multiplied by 0.9. There, we have 139,500. And obviously it's 145 multiplied by that, that's, yeah. So now my answer plus 14,500 should be 154. Hey, this one. What's wrong now? 154. What's happening with this calculate? It must come back and answer. No, we can't. Like this? No. It must come back and answer. Alright, something is wrong. Why was the 13,500 500 coming from? Hey, yo, I don't know. I don't know. Honestly, what I've done, but it's fine. So with the answer still 145, the top, the first one. So I will end here for now, and for the sake of the recording being not to be too long, I need to end here, and I will continue uh, with other exercises. Thank you.